In this video, I'll show you how to add sales notifications like this to your Shopify website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. This is just a quick example of what a pop-up notification might look like on your Shopify website, but we're going to have loads of different templates to choose from, so you can go ahead and customize it exactly to your liking. And just to give you guys a quick preview of what the sales notifications could also look like, here is a few of the templates to choose from, and all of these are of course fully customizable, so you can go ahead and match it to your branding and your website. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on the link down in the description. That's going to bring you to this website right here. And once you're on the website, simply go ahead and hover over widgets right here, and then go down to e-commerce, and right down here we have the sales notification. Go ahead and click right there. From there, go ahead and click on this big pink button, which is going to bring us down to the template builder where we can start designing our sales notification widget. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's the closest to what you're looking for now. But keep in mind you can customize all of these different widgets, but if you want something like a rounded design like this, then it's easy to go ahead with this template rather than customizing it later on. For this demo, I think I'm going to go ahead with this option right here, and once you're ready to continue, go ahead and click on continue with this template down at the bottom left corner. That's going to bring you to this page, and in case you didn't know, these are not actual real purchases on any websites. It's just kind of pop-ups to entice website visitors to buy more products. For example, right down here, people might see this product and click on view product, and then they might end up purchasing something else. So to add your sales notification, go ahead and click on add notification up here. That's going to bring you to this page where you can go ahead and add your message, the notification time, which you can see right down here, an image. So for the image, you'd add a product image for one of your products on your website. And to do that, go ahead and click on add right here, and then click on upload file or upload it from the URL. As for the notification link, that would essentially be the link that people will see when they click on the button down here, for example. And then we also have the CTA button down here. You can toggle it on or off. And again, down here at the button link, I would entice you to add the same product link as you just added here, because then both this part of the notification and this part down here will be a link. So no matter where people click on this little sales notification, they're going to open up a link to a product. And right down here, you can also toggle a badge on and off. The badge is the little icon right here. As you can see, we toggle it on and off like so. And if you want to, you can also go ahead and change it out with something else. And at the very bottom, you can also choose what pages that this should be displayed on and what devices. Moving on to layout on the left-hand side right here. Here you can go ahead and choose the position of the sales notification. So if you want it at a different corner, go ahead and click right here. And then you can simply go ahead and choose where you want it to be displayed on your website. So if you want it in the middle, you can go ahead and choose this option right here or in the right-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and stick with the left-hand side and click away. Again, if you have it displayed on mobile, you can go ahead and do the exact same thing, top or bottom. And then you can also choose animation. Right now it's set to slide, but you also have something like a fade like this, or a bounce, zoom, or simply instant. I'm going to go ahead and keep the fade option. Aside from that, you can also add or remove a close button. So as you can see, when I hover over this, there's going to be a little close button, and you can also interact with this to see how it's going to work on your website. So if you click away like this, then it's going to be removed, and a new one is going to appear as well, as you can see. Moving on to settings on the left-hand side. From here, you can choose how soon after someone lands on a specific page on your website, a sales notification is going to be displayed. So as you can see, I need to go on a certain page right now for 10 seconds before a pop-up like this appears. Next up, you can choose how long it should be displayed for. Right now it's set to 7 seconds, but if you want to increase or decrease this, go ahead and click on it and choose however many seconds you'd like. And then we also have the notification interval. Here it's set to 15 seconds. If you want more time between each pop-up, go ahead and scroll down and then choose something like 10 minutes. Or if you want no time at all, go ahead and click on no interval. You can also choose to randomize the notifications, or you can toggle it off and keep it in chronological order as displayed right here. So it's going to be displayed from top to bottom. And lastly, just to stay safe, you can also go down here where it says remember visitor, and here you can go ahead and click on 1 day. If you don't want the same notifications to display to the same visitors for a certain amount of time, go ahead and click on your preferred option down here. And this basically just avoids that the same name and the same purchase pops up several times to the same visitor. And last, we have style on the left-hand side right here. From here, you can go ahead and customize what this little notification is going to look like. So you can go ahead and change things like the font, the background color, message color, and more. And like I showed at the start, you can also go ahead and choose a new corner radius. So if you wanted a more rounded design, go ahead and click on this option right here. Or if you want a more square design, this option right here. Here you can also go ahead and increase or decrease the image size. As you can see here, when I go ahead and change the image size, it's going to be larger or smaller. So go ahead and choose whatever is your preference. I'm going to keep it, let me see, like this to keep it a bit more visual. Anyways, this is the design process of the sales notification for Shopify. Once you're ready to add this to your website, go ahead and click on this green Add to Website for Free button. Now on your screen, you're going to have a new pop-up where you need to either log in or sign up to Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second, like this. And this is essentially the exact same template builder. So if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything else here. You can just go up in the top right corner and click on this big green publish button. That's going to bring us to this page right here, and from here you can go ahead and choose the free plan on the left hand side right here for $0 a month by clicking the gray select button. That's going to bring us to this page, and from here just go ahead and click on copy code, and now it's time to head back to our Shopify website designer. Once you're in Shopify, it's super easy to add your widget to your website. Simply go ahead and click on Add Section wherever, and then go ahead and locate Layout and click on Custom Liquid right beneath of that. That's going to open up the sidebar on the right-hand side where you can see it says Custom Liquid Code, Right underneath, go ahead and click there, and now we need to insert the code we just copied from Elfsight. You can do that by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-clicking and clicking on Paste. And don't worry if a notification doesn't show up right down here the second that you land on your website, because we chose a delay of 10 seconds when we designed our widget. But as you can see, we have a sales notification down here at the bottom left corner on my website. And when I hover away from it after it's been popped up, it's going to disappear, but a new one is going to appear in a few seconds. And as you can see, we just waited a few seconds and now a new pop-up appeared down here. So that's essentially how you can add a sales notification or a pop-up notification to your Shopify website. Just remember to click save up here in the top right corner to display it on your Shopify website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.